Full game of Lag Ops. Wow. Yay, Lag Ops. It's not even fun anymore. This game's so good. This is why I play the game.
Contact.
Oh look. He can't even kill me. I'm just literally trolling him now. Wow. Is he dead? Hmm. Okay. Oh, must have died. The lag ops must have. Oh, never mind. Hmm.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Step up.
Well, that's enough for lag ops for now. So, see you later.